It's essential to increase the food grain production to feed the rising population. It's not possible to create more land to increase the production because agricultural land is being reduced while utilized to fulfill other needs. So this is getting at most important that we should extract more yield from an acre. Whereas farmer too has to make an effort to increase the production to meet out his needs in this time of inflation. Farmer has to explore all those resources which are less costly and contribute in getting higher yield to fulfill his needs. Let's see what does a farmer wants from cultivation. More yield, better quality, higher price of his produce, less expenses on cultivation, fertile land, good quality irrigation water. To make a farmer prosperous, fulfilling all these needs are necessary. India is a country with agriculture as its main occupation. Hence, it is compulsory that a farmer must be prosperous for healthy economy and faster development of the country. But to accomplish all his needs, farmer has to confront many challenges such as ever-increasing deficiency of important nutrients and mounting prices of fertilizer. First, let's understand what are the essential nutrients. Essential nutrients are those which are required by crop to get good yield. All crops require approximately 17 nutrients, out of which carbon, hydrogen and oxygen are basic nutrients which are made available to crop by air and water. To achieve the fulfillment of rest of 14 nutrients, various types of fertilizers are used. Nitrogen, phosphorus, potash are primary, sulfur, calcium, magnesium are secondary, and rest are called micronutrients. Continued this cultivation and not having awareness of right dose and application method as well is the major reason for awesome depletion of nutrients from soil. We came to know about nitrogen deficiency in decade of 50s, and today almost all the nutrients getting deficient and becoming a hurdle for many crops to get higher yield. To accomplish the requirement of the plant nutrients, we use different types of fertilizers. But lately from few years, farmers are facing another big challenge due to severe increase in the prices of fertilizers, which lead to drastic increase in cultivation expenditure. Without getting soil properly tested and not acquiring accurate knowledge, consciously or unconsciously, farmers perform imbalance in fertilizer use. Sometimes the desire to get good yield drives farmer to use a particular fertilizer quantity more than they are needed. Greater and imbalanced use of chemicals is causing decline in nutritive value of crop produce. Here we have to realize that as we need balanced food diet like cereals, vegetables, pulses, milk, curd, fruits, etc. to keep ourselves healthy, the same way every crop requires adequate and specific quantity of all essential plant nutrients. All essential nutrients in right way is called balanced fertilization. Gradually, the resources of irrigation are also getting scanty. Underground water volume is also diminishing. Quality of water is also declining. Imbalanced fertilization and bad quality of water is causing degradation of soil health, which is a matter of great concern. Huge quantity and imbalanced use of chemical fertilizer is causing the reduction of organic matter in soil, which leads to poor soil fertility. Apart from soil health, imbalanced fertilization is responsible for decreasing fertilizer efficiency year after year. Lately, from few years, food grain production is either stable or not growing as per requirement, whereas demand for food is going up with the rise in population. Possessing ability to tackle these challenges and helpfulment in fulfillment of farmer needs, JU presents a solution called EcoMax. JU is one of the India's well-known and prominent business house, Jhawar Group's company, whose headquarters is in Chennai and has branches all over India. Tablet India is a human medicine manufacturer company, major segment in Jhawar Group, which was awarded Udyog Ratan Award by that time President His Excellency Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Among other companies, Pradap in computer software services is expanding all over the world. Zip Industries in apparel accessories is South Asia's leading business companies. Tagros and JU hold leading position in agro business. Other companies of Jhawar Group conglomerate are Sinto, SGI and TIL Health. Utilizing its technological skill in absolute and right way, JU reached out to farmers to fulfill their needs with a solution called EcoMax. EcoMax is a biofertilizer based on friendly fungus. The complete name of this friendly fungus is Vesicular herbascular mycorrhiza. This is an endomycorrhiza to whom JU has given a simple name called EcoMax. EcoMax thrive on crop roots that establish a graceful, symbiotic relationship with the roots of most plants. They invade the roots of plants, connect them to one another, and then send out their filament called hyphae as much as 200 times farther into the soil. EcoMax bring in plant nutrients and moisture in contact of plant roots which were earlier far from reach of plant roots. EcoMax's biggest achievement is to increase availability of phosphatic fertilizer like DAP and SSP. With the use of EcoMax, the uptake of phosphate fertilizer increase up to 60 to 80%, due to which we can minimize the phosphate fertilizer quantity by 30 to 50%. This will account for bringing down expenses in cultivation and at the same time will give better yield. Just because EcoMax is a biofertilizer, the produce with the help of this will be more nutritious and of good quality, which will fetch better market prices. With the use of EcoMax, an useful compound called glomalin is produced in the soil, which encourages the formation of organic matter. The organic matter is very much essential for improving fertility of soil. This way, EcoMax will be helpful in maintaining the soil health. EcoMax can be used in all kinds of crops. EcoMax application dose is 5 kg per acre. It can be applied at seed sowing time and even up to 50 days crop stage by mixing well in farmyard manure or field soil and broadcast. In this way, EcoMax fulfills the needs of farmer and increase his income. EcoMax makes both farmer as well as nation prosper. Farmers who accepted and used EcoMax in spite of using minimum fertilizer got more and healthy produce. EcoMax take heed of farmer need, less expense and better yield.
खेती पर खर्चे बढ़ते ही जा रहे हैं,
पैदावार भी कम हो रही है,
भूमि की उपजाऊ शक्ति भी घट रही है
और भगवान से भी कोई आस नहीं।
नारायण नारायण, छोटी छोटी बातों के लिए क्यों करते हो प्रभु से आस, जब JU कंपनी का EcoMax है आपके पास।
EcoMax अनोखा मित्र फफूंद है जो सूक्ष्म जड़ों को 200 गुना तक फैलाए, खाद की लागत घटाए, भूमि की उपजाऊ शक्ति बढ़ाए।
किसान की जरूरत का रखे ख्याल, कम खर्च में ज्यादा पैदावार।